Hi everyone, it's Tahila here. I'm excited to share some great news. Imai now has a brand new conversion tracking system for easier and more reliable sales tracking campaigns. Inside your account settings, you'll find the conversion tracking domain. Here, you can add your domain once and then use it seamlessly across all your campaigns. We've made integration simple with multiple options. Select your platform, whether it be Shopify, WooCommerce, Magenta, BigCommerce, or Custom. You can then select the programming language that fits to your team. Underneath that, you can see how to add the SDK to the specific platform. Behind the scenes, our SDK automatically tracks clicks and conversions, so you always get accurate attribution. Once your domain is active, you can select it from the campaign drop-down menu. Let's see how this looks together. I've opened up one of my campaigns. I'm clicking on Edit Campaign Settings and Tracking tab. Here's my Select Domain drop-down list and choose the appropriate domain. Enter your conversion values just like before. And that's it. Have no fear, all of your existing campaigns are still fully operational. We recommend creating new campaigns with this new updated system to take advantage of improved accuracy and performance. We can't wait for you to start using the new tracking system and see the difference.